Hey guys, my name is Nick. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use WeWard application. So this video is a short tutorial for beginners. Let's get started. First of all, I wanna show you how to install this application. You can easily install it in Play Store or App Store. So to download it, just open up Play Store, then click on the search box at the very top and type here WeWard. To install it, just click on the install button. And now wait until this application will be installed on your device. As you probably understand, by using this application you can earn rewards by walking. So here's the description. Track your steps with pedometer and earn rewards, cash and gifts by walking. Finally, it's installed and we can open it up. Just click on open. Now you have to select your country right here and then click on next. On this page you can type your email address to continue or just sign in with Google or Facebook. I will select Google. Here you can type a referral code and get some rewards if you have a referral code, or just click on skip. And finally we can use the app. Here is the main page. Hey, it's me, Wardy, so click on let's go at the very bottom. So here's your step counter. Here you can convert your steps to coins. So 1000 steps converted to 1 coin. Well, the application is pretty simple. At the very bottom you can see 5 tabs: activity, where you can see all your activity, your steps. Here you can convert your steps to coins. You can see challenges, news about this application, bonus words and free rewards, which you can easily get. Also you can see your earned coins, in my case 51. And of course on this page you can reset your pedometer. If you would like to do it, just click on this button. Let's see the second page, redeem. So here you can get rewards for your coins. For example, you can get 1000 coins, and then you can pay 1000 coins to this application and get $10 on your PayPal or Venmo account. So there are a lot of interesting offers, but be careful because a lot of offers only for premium accounts. The next step is social. Here you can add your friends and compete with them. So here is the leaderboard. Now there's only me with 1000 steps. Also here you can create a community or just join to a community. Type here the registration code and you will be added to community, or just create your own, just like that. Create your name, description, click on create, and add a picture. So just configure it, and here's your code. By using it you can add other people to this community. So the next page is WeCards. So it's like a game in real life. By using your location you can continue and start playing it. And the last page is top deals. Here you can find more interesting offers. For example, booking.com. This is a very popular website. You can buy something at their website and get for these coins. For example, 5 We coins per $1 spent, 4 We coins per $1 spent, and so on. By the way, on the main page you can see how many coins you will get for your steps. For example, for 2000 steps you will get only 3 We coins. For 5000 steps you will get 6 coins. For 17,000 steps you will get 25 coins. This is the first level, and then you'll be able to convert your steps. So guys, I hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.